Hey there, friends on YouTube. My name is Roger with Electronics and Gadgets. If this is your first time here, thanks for stopping by. Hit the like and subscribe, please. If you've been here before, thank you. Okay, so for my next video, I want to do one on a product called Wsken, W-S-K-E-N, and this is their screen protector, and it's for the new Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. And I'm going to do the unboxing and the installation from beginning to end of the screen protector. So we'll try to make this as unboring as possible, but you could just follow right along if you purchased one. It's really simple. We're going to unbox this. This is one of the best screen protectors, I believe, on the market. Simply not just because it's a great screen protector, but the installation. And installation is very important. If you have a screen protector that doesn't install properly, it's not going to last, it's not going to protect correctly. And Wsken has really made these, what I like to say is idiot proof. Pause. Maybe we should do this tonight.
I can't turn.
Okay, back to our scene here. We had to stop for some dog barkage. So this is our product. Let's go ahead and unbox it. I've already cut the sticker on here, so let's go ahead and open this up. And this is the installation box. Okay, so let's open this up. And inside we have one that's preloaded here. That's already, oh no it's not. We have two different ones. And you have to load these in, which we'll do here shortly. This one I'll put aside. We only need one. And put that away. And as you can see, it's kind of neat because it has a black ridge around the screen protector. And it goes on the phone, and you can't see that if it's put on properly, which we will. So we have a squeegee, stickers, plug them and file them. We have instruction manual, which they give you a QR code, kind of neat. I've done these before, so I don't really need the instructions. So let's put that to the side. We have our installation kit, and let's go ahead. This I will use. Pre-update, I had a screen protector on this, so the screen's going to be pretty clean. But I'm still going to clean it just as if it was a brand new install here. So it's important, I've found over the years, to get a really good, clean screen phone for your screen protector to work. However, with these, as I've said, for want of a better word, they're idiot proof. So all you have to do is once you put these in, the installation will clean it, and then it'll also install it at the same time. So this cleaning I'm doing is really unnecessary. Oops, I didn't want to start this. We're going to turn this back off because I want to see the screen. I don't want it on. But we're using our alcohol wipe first just to wipe everything down. Like I said, it's not needed on mine, but I'm going to do it as if it's a brand new install. Let's turn this off. You didn't see that. Okay. We'll get this wiped down real good. And then what I like to do, they have your wipes. I like to give it a once over with fiber cloth, but then I actually have fiber cloths, and I might put a link in the description as where I get my fiber cloths. Everybody should have these for your electronics. You want to use these for everything. You never want to use anything else. And these do really, really well for getting rid of any kind of particles, dust, whatever. So let's put this in, make sure we get up. So I'm assuming that this is the top. Do we have a top? No. It's just top is up as top, so we'll wipe this. We'll probably do this a couple times before, just to be on the safe side. Okay, then all you do is you put the button on the top, push it in. I found once it's pushed in, so make sure you get it right. Then these two little guides go over it. I don't know how far down that is. I believe that's pretty good. Okay, then you close it. Your first step is to pull this, which, and actually what it's doing is it's cleaning it. Now, the second step is a little harder. It takes both hands. You have to pull it back and then forward, and that just put the screen protector on. So we'll take this, off. And out comes a perfect install. You couldn't take calipers and put that on any better. And I don't even need to touch it with anything. There's no bubbles, there's no nothing on my first install. See if you can get in close here, see the difference between there to there, perfect, there to there, perfect. Absolutely perfect install one time. And that is the Wsken screen protector. So with that, I hope you found my videos to be helpful. Thank you for being here. Please click like and subscribe to my channel. Leave me a comment down below, and until next time, I'm out.